Now, this is where you can find the silence unknown callers setting on your iPhone. Let's get started. So, at first, you need to open up the settings app of your phone and then just scroll down entirely towards the bottom. And if you have the latest version of the iOS, you should see the apps section right there. In the older versions, every single app is listed in here, right, like in the main settings page. But in the newer version, since iOS 18, you have to tap on apps at the bottom and then the list of all apps is going to pop up. So just get in here and you can use whichever method you want to scroll to find the phone app. So right there, you just need to find the phone application right like this. And in here, you can go through all of these settings. And at the bottom, if you scroll down, you can find the silence unknown callers. And there's just one toggle. There is really nothing else to be tweaking or changing in here. So just enable the silence unknown callers and you're going to be good to go. It also tells you what kind of happens when you do enable it. So calls from unknown numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail and displayed in the recents list. So it's not like you will never have any idea that you've been contacted by them. You will always find it in the list of like recent calls inside of the phone app. So you will see what's up and everything, but you will just not be bothered by the allowed ringtone and you won't be distracted. So that's a great feature. That's how you can enable it. And most importantly, this is where you can find it. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and let me know below about that in the comments, but you can also just hit the thumbs up and I'll get the message. So thanks a lot. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the future tutorials.